What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give a technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor nor expert. I'm just a random dude on YouTube, so take what I say with a grain of salt. With that being said, we're going to be taking a look at ticker symbol LAZR, LAZR, Luminar Technologies Incorporated. Now, holy crap, this thing has seen a run. This is looking a lot like Fubo. Holy Toledo. If you look back at the 5-day chart here, we had $25.35 as a price target, a solid price valuation, and right now in the pre-market we're sitting at $37.71, and this thing looks like it's gonna go freaking parabolic. This thing is climbing. Yeah, this has been nothing but straight up volume right here. That is money. That's exactly what you love to see. The reason that I bring this company up today is because I went to this website, marketbeat.com, and I like to look at stocks that are reporting an unusual amount of volume, and LAZR is on this list. So if we look here, LAZR's average volume is about 2.74 million, and today it has seen already 35.45 million shares traded. It is up 21.4% in the pre-market from this $35 price target. The volume is 1,000% higher than normal, so that's a pretty good sign that there are some insiders that have knowledge of what's going on with this stock. Some things that we obviously do not know. And another thing that I really like to see here is you can see a very drastic increase in volume over these last few days. So this is about the highest we've seen for a little while. It breaks down a little bit, still pretty solid volume. Yesterday, holy crap, we see a lot of volume here. We've got 1.5 million shares traded, 1.55 million shares traded, 1.1 million shares traded. This day we saw a lot of volume, and it's starting to look like we might see the same here. So let's see if we can find any sort of trend and pattern in the pre-market. The most that we're really seeing in action here is 34,000, 82,000 shares, 35,000, 117,000, 96,000, 97,000, 35,000, 75,000, 100,000. It's looking like we're shaping up to do the exact same thing that we've been doing for the last couple days, which is really, really solid to see. Now, let's take a look at some indicators here. If we break out a support level, it looks like this was if we break out the resistance line, it looks like this was a very strong resistance line, and once we got over that, it's been lights out. So the stock is skyrocketing right now. I mean, if you were able to get in on this literally 5 minutes ago, you would have turned and burned $3 a share on every single share that you put into this thing. However, I do think when market opens, you will have a buying opportunity to get back into this, because as is usually the case when stocks shoot up extremely high in the pre-market or the after hours, there's usually a price correction that follows. You'll usually see some limit order sell-offs, but if you do not, I think that's a sign that you may want to consider riding the hype on LAZR. However, I'm not a financial advisor or expert, so make sure you do your own due diligence. That is just what I would suggest doing. If I was going to get into the stock personally, I would be looking for a support level somewhere around here, because let me explain why. If we look at this piece of the chart, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 different times this $32.47 price target was reached, and the price was rejected, and it came back up. when you see a price rejection that strong, it's usually a sign that this is a level of support. And the vice versa, if you see price rejection from the top and it comes back down, that is a sign of a strong resistance. So I think you are going to be looking at, probably this as a first new primary support level. However, we shall see. I think $35.71 is more likely to be the new support level. But if we do go through this, you're going to be looking at $32.47. So make sure you write those two numbers down. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own due diligence, but this is how I would be playing this play. That's all I have for the video, though. So thanks for coming to the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Today we hit 52 subscribers, which is fantastic. I started the channel 3 or 4 days ago. We're already halfway to 100, so that's amazing. Thank you all very much. It means the world to me. Let's see if we can get to 100 subscribers by Sunday. That would be fantastic. I love everybody that's a part of the family, and I appreciate you very much. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you did not, dislike it. Either way, you are helping out the YouTube algorithm, and that is all I have for you guys. So I'll see you guys next time, and peace.